Assalamualaikum and a very good day. Today, our group will present on the topic of the influence of halal brand awareness, halal brand image, and halal brand loyalty on purchase decision making of Brown Sugar Eatery. This is for Applied Business Project, ABP 792. Introducing our team members, which are Haziza binti Ibrahim and Siti Nur Azia binti Irwan, our supervisor, Dr. Nur Aminin binti Khalid. The table of contents that consists of chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Problem statement mentioned about increasing demand for coffee in Malaysia according to Statista Research Department 2022, and also halal food products increasingly popular among Muslim and non-Muslims according to Future Market Insight Incorporation 2022. Next point is expanding number of competitors, which we identify 9 competitors at Bayan Lepas area. This is supported by you et al. 2000 that according to Shocker and Aker 1993 divides 3 main elements of brand equity, namely brand awareness, brand image, and brand loyalty, which then these elements can help customers interpret, process, and store information related to the product and brand. There are 5 research questions of independent variable that influence on dependent variable, and there are 5 research objectives that answer the research question. This is theoretical framework, which independent variable consists of 3, which are halal brand awareness, halal brand image, and halal brand loyalty. Dependent variable consists of purchase decision making. Next is literature review of independent and dependent variable that support the theoretical framework. So we use a SWOT model, which is number 1 is strength, consists of premium gourmet coffee and homemade cake, shipping container, hipster concept, barista, which is artisan beverages, Muslim owner, and also reasonable price. For weaknesses, there are no halal logo, limited menu, location, which is no signboard, no release services, and no Wi-Fi. Opportunities, halal certificate to attract confidence, online delivery, and also improve ECRM. For threats, intense number of competitors, premises size, and also competitors with halal certificate and collaborate with food delivery services. So we identified 4 TOS metrics from SWOT model as per below. Next, I will pass to next presenter, Haziza.
Thank you, Azia. Assalamualaikum and good day. For methodology, sampling design, probability sampling, simple random sampling, research methodology, questionnaires with 5 linked scale format. Respondents are customer, age range from 18 years old and above, that's situated at Bayan Lepas area. So the average number per customer, per month, 100 customer, according to the owner, Muhammad Rizwan. Numbers is actually in 2021. So the population is 1,200 customers. Now, according to Craig and Morgan 1917, if the population 1,200, sampling is 291 customer. So we expected to get 291 respondents. From the survey that we distributed, okay, we used the tools SPSS29. The minimum total respondents that we collected is 110. The frequency of demographic the maximum 75% from female, married 70%. And then in terms of the age, as we collected from 18 years old and above, majority with 48% from the age 31 to 40 years old. The frequency customer visit Brown Sugar Eatery will be 47% once a week. Descriptive analysis, we identify the highest and the lowest number means and also standard deviation from the independence and also dependent variable as below. The Cronbach Alpha reliability test, okay, it shows that the result is actually reliable. This is actually from the term rules of Hare et al. 2003. It identified that all the independence variable very good and also excellent, plus the PDM with excellent. The Pearson correlation coefficient, stated that, okay, the result show a strong positive correlation for all the independent variable. This is actually referring to the Securin and Boogie 2016 on the result. The highest correlation coefficient will be HbA with R equal to 0.868, which is p-value less than 0.01. The regression analysis, if we refer to Securin and Boogie 2016, the statistically significant is actually identified from the p-value 0.01 less than 0.01 or p-value less than 0.05. With this, the results show that the highest is actually HbA with the beta 0.55%, p-value at 0.001, and followed by HbL 0.23 with the p-value at 0.02 and HbI beta 0.17 at p-value 0.05. The regression analysis, okay, we can see that the HbA has a greater influences on the PDM of the brown sugar eatery, which is HbA 55.5% of the customer adoption will increase if HbA raised by 1 scale of unit. And the second followed by the HbL with 22.7% of the customer adoption will increase if HbL raised by 1 scale. And of course, significant or highest, the third highest will be 17.3%, which HbI customer adoption will increase if HbI raised by 1 or scale of unit. Then for the chapter 5 hypothesis analysis, hypothesis testing, we can see the result for all the hypothesis independent variable is positive relationship of independent variable and purchase decision making. So we can conclude that this is actually support or it support the previous search or previous study from Heru et al. 2021, Muslicha et al. 2019 for the HbA and for HbI supported by Heru et al. 2021, Wahyu et al. 2021, and also for HbL, Heru et al. 2021. So we can conclude that the result is positive and significant and it supported our research hypothesis. With this is actually answering the research question and also the research objective number 1 until number 4, which is identify that HbA will be the highest factor that influence on the purchase decision making. The limitation of the study result only point to the halal coffee product. For the future research, according to the owner observation, for Bayan Lepas, mostly will be Muslim, and for Island Glades, Muslim and also non-Muslim. There is a actually significant, drastically increased number of non-Muslim, and they also launched a new outlet in October 2022. With this, for future research study, they can include a demographic section, question for race, and also location. As using the SWOT models and also the tools analysis, we would like to recommend to the brown sugar eatery of the highest factor of the independent variable, which is halal brand awareness. First, in terms of the product, they can apply halal certificate. If they not yet have the halal certificate, what they can do, they can display the halal memo. So the halal memo actually to display in terms of the materials and also the suppliers from the halal source. And then they actually produce in-house cake and not from vendor. So with this halal material, halal cake, they can actually print on the menu or flyers so that they can actually bring the brand awareness to the halal brand awareness to the customer. On top of that, in terms of the promotion, they can start to rewards and also the membership program. So example, grassroots coupon for repeat purchase. When the customer, they come and repeat for the purchase, they can collect, number of coupons in order to redeem a free coffee. They can boost the marketing campaign via social media, for example, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, okay, so that they can increase the awareness, the brand awareness to the customer. They can collaborate with the food delivery services in order for the customer aware that they have these online services, and unique service by the barista where they can actually customize in terms of the artisan on the beverage. In terms of the place, now they can start to promote the new outlet at the new neighborhood. War creative design, mural art, so that customer can take a photo, it can create a brand awareness to the customer. In terms of the price, they can offer reasonable price compared to the competitors. With this recommendation is answering on the research question and also apply on the research objective number 5. That's all. Thank you so much.